That takes the cake. Unveiling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English idiom. That takes the cake. This phrase might sound like it's about dessert, but it carries a much deeper and more interesting meaning in conversation. Stay tuned as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, "that takes the cake," is used to express astonishment, surprise, or irritation at someone's behavior or a particular situation. It's often used when something surpasses all other examples, sometimes in a positive sense but very often in a context of disbelief or annoyance. Imagine someone doing something so outrageous or exceptional that it surpasses all other actions. That's when this idiom comes into play. Tracing back to the 19th century, this idiom has its roots in cakewalking competitions held in the United States, where couples would perform a strutting dance for a cake prize. The most graceful couple took the cake. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond its literal meaning to express the idea of surpassing expectations or being the most notable in any given situation. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's go through a few examples. 1. After hearing all the excuses my roommate made for not cleaning the kitchen, his claim that he was allergic to dish soap really took the cake. 2. I thought I had seen everything, but seeing a dog ride a skateboard, that takes the cake. These examples show the idiom used in contexts of irritation and amazement, respectively. While this idiom can add flavor to your conversations, it's important to use it appropriately. Avoid using it in formal contexts or when the situation is too serious, as it may come off as insensitive or too casual. Understanding the tone and context of your conversation is key to using idioms effectively. And there you have it, folks. That takes the cake is more than just a saying about dessert. It's a colorful way to express astonishment or highlight something extraordinary. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing idiom and how you can sprinkle it into your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning. See you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.